The cosmos stretches endlessly, ancient and mostly silent, but every so often it surprises us with something extraordinary. This is the tale of 3I Atlas, a mysterious traveler from the interstellar void. Unlike any typical space rock, it became only the third interstellar object ever spotted by humans. After crossing unimaginable distances, it entered our solar system, sparking a global scientific race to observe it. But just as it was about to slip away, it did the unthinkable. It emitted a signal, not a radio transmission, but a final, deliberate burst of energy, enigmatic and profound. This moment has brought together scientists and dreamers everywhere, all wondering, what was this object and what message did it carry? The signal from 3I Atlas is a cosmic riddle that could transform our understanding of existence. Now, we find ourselves at a turning point, with the signal in hand and the quest to decipher it just beginning. We'll uncover how this celestial visitor was discovered, relive the instant the signal was detected, and explore what its message could mean for humanity's future. The universe has reached out, and it's up to us to listen. The saga of 3I Atlas is a testament to our curiosity, our resourcefulness, and our drive to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. It reminds us that even in the infinite expanse of space, we may not be alone. Our story begins with Atlas, a robotic telescope in Hawaii, scanning the night sky for threats. One night, it spotted a faint, fast-moving dot, an outsider, not from our solar system. Scientists named it 3I Atlas, the third interstellar object ever detected. Unlike its predecessors, it was enormous and on a daring dive toward the sun. This was a rare chance to study a piece of another solar system up close. Telescopes worldwide, including the James Webb, focused on this alien visitor. 3I Atlas was like finding a seashell on a mountaintop, evidence of a distant origin. Its composition revealed isotopes and elements never seen in our solar system. It was a chemical ghost, a relic from a star system unlike our own. As it approached, its behavior grew stranger, deepening the mystery. Every new observation painted a picture of a truly alien world. The scientific community buzzed with excitement, unaware that the biggest surprise was yet to come. This was more than a comet. It was a messenger from the galaxy. Its secrets would soon challenge everything we thought we knew. The world watched, waiting for what would happen next. And then, the signal arrived. The final signal wasn't science fiction, it was stranger. As 3I Atlas neared the sun, it released a burst of neutrinos and gravitational waves. Neutrinos pass through matter like ghosts. Gravitational waves ripple through space-time itself. Detecting both from a single object was unprecedented. The burst came at the moment of its catastrophic breakup, lasting exactly 72 seconds. The energy wasn't random, it formed a repeating structured pattern. This suggests the object's core was highly organized, not just a lump of ice and rock. A natural object shouldn't produce such a complex signal. Either our physics is incomplete, or 3I Atlas was something more, perhaps an artifact. Maybe it was designed to release this signal upon destruction. A message in a bottle meant to be found only when it reached another shore. The implications are staggering. Was it a natural phenomenon or a relic of a lost civilization? The universe had just handed us a mystery, and we had to decide what it meant. In the Ice Cube Neutrino Observatory at the South Pole, Dr. Irina Petrova watched as a flood of neutrinos appeared, all from 3I Atlas. At the same moment in Italy, Dr. Kenji Tanaka at the Virgo Observatory saw a complex gravitational wave signal from the same source. The two teams connected instantly, overlaying their data. The patterns matched neutrino bursts, aligned with gravitational wave peaks. It was a single event, seen through two cosmic windows. The signal repeated in a sequence. 3, 1, 4 pulses. Not random, but deliberate. They checked for errors. The data was clean. The universe had sent a postcard, and they were the first to read it. Across the globe, astronomers saw flashes of unusual elements at the same moment. Radio telescopes found nothing, making the neutrino and gravitational wave signal even more mysterious. It was a symphony of discovery, with scientists worldwide playing their part. In that moment, borders vanished. Humanity became a single team, united in wonder. The message from the stars was real. The dying interstellar traveler had delivered its secret. The world listened, awestruck. The search for meaning began. The signal was undeniable. Now the race to understand it was on. With the signal confirmed, interpretation began. The first theory: new physics. Perhaps exotic matter in the comet's core collapsed in a patterned way under the sun's gravity. This would be a monumental discovery, a Rosetta Stone for physics. The second theory: a warning. Scientists converted the pulse sequence into binary, revealing mathematical constants, and a model of a planetary system destroyed by gamma-ray bursts from the galactic core. Was 3I Atlas a probe from a lost civilization, warning others of a recurring cosmic disaster? The pattern could be a countdown to a galactic extinction event. A third theory: the signal is a test. Any civilization able to detect and decode it proves its technological maturity. The universe may be filled with intelligences far older than ours. The message could simply be, "We are here," or more ominously, "We were here." Each possibility is profound. The signal forces us to confront our place in the cosmos. Are we alone, or are we being watched? The answer remains elusive, but the question now shapes our future. News of the signal spread quickly, transforming a scientific mystery into a global event. For the first time in generations, humanity looked up together, united by awe and uncertainty. Scientific collaboration surged. Data was shared freely across borders. The world's best minds formed a global task force, working around the clock to decode the message. Governments set aside rivalries, pouring resources into new telescopes and detectors. The goal: to be ready for the next visitor and to listen more closely to the cosmos. The public's imagination was ignited. Schools revamped science curricula, planetariums filled, and amateur astronomers joined the search. The message from 3I Atlas became a symbol of unity and curiosity. It reminded us that we are all passengers on a fragile planet, voyaging together through the unknown. The questions raised: are we alone? Are we safe? Became everyone's to ponder. The discovery changed how we see ourselves and our place in the universe. The race for answers had only just begun. The world was listening, and the universe was waiting for our reply. If the signal was a warning, what does it mean for us? The decoded data points to a cyclical wave of high-energy radiation from the Milky Way's core. The next pulse could arrive in a few thousand years, a blink in cosmic time. Such an event would devastate life on Earth, stripping our atmosphere and boiling the oceans. The signal is a forecast for a cosmic storm, and we are in its path. It's also a mirror, forcing us to confront our own divisions and short-sightedness. Can we unite to face a challenge of this magnitude? The message doesn't give answers, only a question. It's the ultimate test for humanity, delivered from across the stars. The warning is twofold: a physical danger from the cosmos, and a warning about the cost of inaction. The civilization that sent 3I Atlas may have failed to save themselves. Their final message: do not make our mistakes. Face the darkness together. It is the most urgent message we have ever received. The story of 3I Atlas is a lesson in humility. We are a tiny part of a much larger, older story. This event reminds us that science and exploration are essential for survival. Our curiosity led us to find 3I Atlas and to hear its final cry. Science is not a luxury, it's our only defense against the unknown. We must keep looking outward, building better tools, and supporting those who push the boundaries. The legacy of 3I Atlas is also a call for unity. In the face of cosmic mystery, our divisions seem trivial. The signal showed that global collaboration is not just possible, but necessary. The perspective from the stars is a powerful antidote to what divides us. Ultimately, this is a story of hope. The universe is speaking, and we are finally listening. Our journey has just begun, and our future among the stars is boundless.